welcome to another video, and in today's video we are going to be putting several of these little sponges to test, which is this one is the EcoTools Perfecting Sponge. I think that's what it's called. This one is the Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge, this one right here. And this one, of course, this one is the Original Beauty Blender Pro. And this one right here is the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. I believe that's what it's called. So we are going to put these dupes to test against this one right here, which is the Original Beauty Blender. And I want to put them to test because I want to see if they will hold up or how they would streak when we are doing like a contour like this, because it does have the angle to it. So I want to put it up against this one, which is the original thing, but it's super pricey. It's $20, but I don't know if there's really such a good dupe as good as this one, because this one is the original one. And then of course the last one is the Real Techniques sponge. So if you want to know which one is going to be the winner or which one is the closest thing to this one, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. For this test, I am not going to be trying these sponges out on my face. Obviously, I already have the face done. I am going to be trying them out on a plate, and I am going to see how much product these little sponges actually do soak up, how much coverage these sponges actually give, and to see if they streak up or not. So I am just gonna get the plate, have a little Sephora lipstick that I don't use, and this is what it looks like. So right here I'm gonna try out the Beauty Blender, the Real Techniques, the EcoTools, and the Morphe sponge. So we could kind of compare the four to see which one's the closest thing to it, because these are the four sponges that I've been trying out, but I'm not exactly sure if they really do give me the full coverage, because I can't really clearly see it on my skin. So it would be perfect to try it out on a plate or something like that, so we could see how much coverage it's actually giving us. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using this foundation right here, and this is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I'm going to be using this foundation because this foundation honestly did not work for my skin, and it's just kind of chilling there. So I really don't care for this foundation, and we are going to give each one of these sponges a fair shot. I'm just gonna give it one full pump. So we are going to be starting off with the Original Beauty Blender Pro. This is the black one. And okay guys, so here is the little sponge. We are going to be putting this here on this corner. So let's see. Okay. All right guys, so this is the coverage that this is giving us. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it has really good coverage. This is the original one, guys. So it doesn't have very much like sponges streaks on there, if that makes sense. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it looks pretty full coverage. So this one is the original one. Now let's go ahead and start off with this one, which is the EcoTools, because it does have a little booty butt down at the bottom. It's nice and round, just like the Real Techniques. And then later on, we'll start doing the edges. So we'll do that at the end. So right now, we're just gonna bounce out the little butts. All right, so now that we do have the Original Beauty Blender bounced out on the plate, this is what it looks like. We are going to move on to the EcoTools. So we're just gonna give it one pump of the foundation. Here we go, one pump, and we are gonna bounce it out right next to it. So here we go guys. Let's see which one gives us the best coverage. Oh my god, I don't know. Okay, here we go. So this one is the dupe. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. This one is clearly a little bit more sheer than this one, which is the Original Beauty Blender. Let me see. I hope that you guys can see it. It's kind of hard to see it. I could clearly see it. I don't know if you guys could see it from a distance, but this one is still the best coverage. Oh my God, that sponge is so damn expensive though. Shit. My pest control guy is here. Give me just 1 second. So I am back. I am now going to move on to the Morphe sponge, and we are gonna do the little end of it, which is this little pointy tip, because the other side is kind of slanted and tapered at the very top. So we are gonna give it one pump right at the very tip. Let's bounce it out and see what this one is about. Okay, so one pump. And I'm gonna put this one right underneath the Beauty Blender one. So let's see what this one is about. Oh my God, I literally have a full house right now. The gardener is outside, and the pest control guy is here, and I had to bring Cookie inside the house because then she'll run away. And she's barking out there. Oh my God. So anyhow, all right, so this one is the Morphe sponge, and this one is super streaky. I am not liking this one. I think so far the Beauty Blender is the one that's giving us the fullest coverage. And we are going to be trying out the Real Technique sponge right over here. So let's go ahead and give that one a pump and see what it's about. Okay. Okay, so there is the one sponge on the Real Technique sponge, and we are gonna give it a bounce right over here at this corner and see what it is about. Okay. So we're blending how we usually do. All right, so there is, oh my God, I think that's gonna be the closest thing to this. I think this one is gonna be like the best dupe for the Beauty Blender. If you're looking for an alternative cosmetic sponge, I would definitely go with the Real Techniques one. So this is just using the round edge, but we are also gonna be testing it out where it's tapered. So we're gonna be testing this end, this end, this end right over here, and then this end for the Beauty Blender to see which one gives us like the best cut for a contour, or if you're baking or stuff like that. But so far, clearly the Beauty Blender, there's no freaking dupe. There's no dupe. I mean, this one is by far the best. It's giving you the fullest coverage. It's $20 for a reason, because it's so freaking good. But I think if you're going for a dupe or like a cheaper or more affordable or alternative, I would definitely go with this one, which is the Real Technique sponge. These were just too sheer in my opinion. Do you guys see that? I don't know. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna go get another plate, and we're gonna be trying out the edges where they are tapered. All right, guys, so I went ahead and I got a different black plate, and we did some lines. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're gonna go downwards so we can see how streaky these sponges really are and how much coverage they give us and all that good stuff. So we are going to start off again with number 1, the original Beauty Blender, and we are going to use the exact same foundation with one pump. So here we go, one pump, and I am going to go down. Okay, let's see. With the tapered end or the pointy end, it's kind of streaky in my opinion. What do you guys think? So if we were to go like this, that's the coverage that this sponge would give us. This is the original Beauty Blender Pro. Okay, so moving on to number 2, we are gonna give this one a shot. This is the EcoTools. What is this sponge called? This is the EcoTool sponge. Anyhow, that's what it is. All right, so one pump, you guys. Okay, and here we go. So we're gonna line it up right in here. Oh my God, what? This one has a better coverage. Where it's tapered, it has a better coverage than the Beauty Blender. That's interesting. Okay, so that was number 2. Number 3, I'm going to be trying out the Morphe sponge because Miss Jaclyn Hill swears by this sponge. So we shall see if it gives us better coverage than the Eco Tools one. So here we go. All right, so just the one pump. There we go. All right, so that's what it looks like. All right, and oh my God, I don't know, you guys. It's giving us a better coverage. So maybe this damn sponge is that good. I don't know, that is so crazy. Okay, all right, so the last one is this one, which is the Real Techniques sponge. And let's see, let's give this sponge a try on the tapered edge. This is what it looks like. And we are going to be giving it a try right in here. All right, so there we go. All right, guys, what do you guys think? This is so crazy. Let me get the other plate so we could compare because this is crazy to me. Okay, so here we go. So this one, oh my God, I don't know. I don't know. But let's see. Okay, so this one right in here, this one is the original Beauty Blender. And we pounced it on the little butt, just like this. Okay, so this one was the fullest coverage, round-wise, compared to this one, compared to that one, which was this one right in here. And then this one was the last one, which was the Real Technique. So I think these two gave us the fullest coverage. So it was the Real Technique sponge and the original Beauty Blender. Okay, so now looking at this one, if you go and compare it for the tapered part, I honestly do not like this first streak right here. If you were to cut in with the original Beauty Blender, I don't know, like it didn't give, it's super streaky in my opinion. And I think I did the exact same technique to all the sponges. I just like streaked it down. I don't know. This one was not that great, and this one is the fancy one. All right, so next it was the Eco one, and we got better coverage, which was this one right here. So we just went straight down. Then the third one was the Morphe sponge, and it was this one right in here. I think that one is the one that gave us by far the best coverage. And this is a highlight and contour sponge. So I guess this thing was like the best one from the tapered side. This one was the winner, you guys. And then the last one was the Real Technique sponge. And look how streaky it is. It's this one right here. And I also do see a lot of streaks. I don't know. So this is just the test. This is what my opinion is. This is what we got. The Real Techniques is the best dupe for the Beauty Blender, but then the Morphe sponge is the best one for contouring if you're going for the tapered side. I don't know. I'm super confused. This is just a test, you guys. I don't know. You guys do your own test. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one's your favorite Beauty Blender. Besides the original one, if you have any other dupes besides the ones that I've tested out, let me know. I would like to try those out. I don't know. This is very interesting. I've never done this before. I've never seen a video on this before. This is just an idea that I had. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys liked this video. This was an eye-opener for myself too. I honestly did not know that these were going to be the results. These are all pretty much new sponges that I haven't even like used. This is the first time using them. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think on the comments down below. Which one is your favorite dupe beauty sponge, complexion sponge, whatever it's called? Let me know. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm like surprised. I'm super surprised. I'm like mind blown at this. I don't know. I feel like a confused bitch at this point. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down at the bottom. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you're new so I could subscribe to your channel too. I would love to give you my love and support right back. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. And let's wrap it up. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.